Meat and poultry are high in purines, which break down into uric acid in the body. This includes organ meats like liver and kidneys, red meats such as beef, lamb, and pork, game meats like venison and rabbit, as well as turkey and duck. Seafood is another major source of purines. Shellfish like lobster, shrimp, and crabs, fish such as sardines, anchovies, mackerel, herring, trout, tuna, and haddock, and other seafood like scallops and mussels should be consumed in moderation. Alcoholic beverages, especially beer, can elevate uric acid levels. Liquor like vodka, whiskey, and gin, and even wine in moderate consumption, can contribute to this issue. Certain vegetables are also high in purines. Asparagus, spinach, cauliflower, mushrooms, and peas, including green peas, chickpeas, lentils, and beans, fall into this category. Processed foods, particularly meat extracts and gravies, are concentrated sources of purines. Processed deli meats like ham, salami, and bologna should also be limited. Sugary foods and beverages, especially those rich in fructose like sweetened sodas, sugary drinks, and some fruit juices, can increase uric acid levels. High fructose corn syrup products, including sweets and processed snacks, should be avoided. Certain legumes and nuts, such as kidney beans, black beans, navy beans, lentils, and peas, contain moderate levels of purines. Other foods to watch out for include yeast and yeast extracts, which are found in some supplements and spreads like Vegemite. If you're concerned about uric acid levels or managing gout, it's important to make informed dietary choices. Reducing high purine foods can be a key step in maintaining healthy uric acid levels. Consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to create a plan that suits your individual health needs and lifestyle. Stay proactive about your health.